interest rates are still in the sixes. So does that mean buying a home in Colorado is a bad idea? Not necessarily, because a lot of buyers are simply overpaying because they don't know the strategies that can lower their rate.
And some buyers right now are getting interest rates in the 4s and the 5s through builder incentives, rate buy downs, and loan programs that most people don't ask about.
And in this video, we're breaking down the current Colorado interest rate market, what's actually happening with buyers, and the biggest tips to help you secure lower monthly payments.
Hey everyone, I'm Jill Jackson.
And I'm Kelly Mates.
And we're with the Colorado Homes and Living team, and we are local realtors here in the Denver metro area. On our channel, we cover all the ins and outs of Colorado, as well as navigating the real estate market. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or relocating to the Denver metro area or Front Range,
make sure to reach out, because whether you're looking to move in 10 days, 10 weeks, or 10 months, it's never too soon to start the conversation. So let's talk about the elephant in the room, interest rates. As of May 2026, rates are hovering in the mid to high sixes depending on the day, your credit score, your loan type, and your down payment.
And honestly, for a lot of buyers, rates above 6% create a mental block. We hear people say all the time, we are going to wait until rates come down.
But here's the thing, when rates drop significantly, competition is going to increase again. More buyers jump into the market, inventory tightens up, and now you're competing with multiple offers, which is going to drive up home prices.
And we already saw what that looked like in Colorado a few years ago. Buyers were waiving inspections, offering tens of thousands of dollars over asking price, and struggling just to get under contract. What's interesting about today's market is buyers actually having negotiating power again.
We are seeing more seller concessions, more price reductions, and more opportunity to negotiate terms to help lower your monthly payment.
And one of the biggest opportunities right now is builder incentives.
That's something a lot of buyers don't realize. Many new construction builders in Colorado are offering significantly lower interest rates with their preferred lenders.
We've seen builders offering rates in the 4s and the 5s, depending on community, inventory, and incentives available at that time.
And some buyers are shocked because they have been quoted a rate of 6.75 from a traditional lender, but a builder is offering something dramatically lower.
Now, there's usually a reason for that. Builders are often paying money up front to buy down the rate because they want to move inventory.
And the interest rate can make a huge difference in your monthly payment.
So let's explain what a rate buy down actually is, because people hear this term all the time.
A rate buy down is when money is paid up front to lower the interest rate on your loan.
And that money can come from the builder, the seller, or even sometimes the buyer, depending on the situation.
There are temporary buy downs, like a 2-1 buy down, when the rate is reduced for the first couple years.
And then there is a permanent buy down, where the rate stays the same for the life of the loan.
One of the biggest things affecting interest rates right now is credit scores.
Sometimes even a small increase in your credit score can improve your rates enough to save you hundreds per month on your monthly payment.
So before buying, avoid opening new credit cards, making any large purchases, and make sure you're paying everything on time.
Definitely shop multiple lenders. Talk with multiple lenders before you decide which one you ultimately want to go with.
Different lenders can have very different pricing, fees, and loan programs.
And especially if you're self-employed, a 1099 borrower, or if you have more complicated income, the right lender matters even more.
And now we have negotiating seller concessions. This is really huge in today's market.
Instead of negotiating only on the price, sometimes it makes more sense to negotiate seller concessions. And seller concessions can be used towards a rate buy down and or your closing costs.
Because lowering your payment a few $100s may actually help more than a small price reduction.
Again, builders are being aggressive right now.
And some of the incentives that we're seeing right now are lower interest rates, closing cost assistance, upgrades, appliance packages, and more.
So even if you haven't considered new construction yet, it might be worth exploring.
One of the biggest mistakes we see right now is buyers sitting on the sideline waiting for the perfect rate.
But remember, you can refinance later if rates improve.
You cannot go back in time and buy a home before prices have increased or competition picks up again.
In the Denver metro area and across the Front Range, we're still seeing buyers entering the market. They're just being more strategic.
They're negotiating more carefully, comparing lenders, exploring builder incentives, and looking for opportunities instead of rushing into bidding wars.
And honestly, this market could be a great opportunity for educated buyers.
So if you're thinking about buying in Colorado but are worried about interest rates,
Just know that there are still strategies available that can lower your monthly payment.
and every situation is different. That's why it's really important to talk through your options before making assumptions based on headlines.
If you have questions about builder incentives, interest rates, lender recommendations, or what your buying power could look like,
Feel free to reach out anytime.
and if you're new to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Colorado and navigating the real estate market, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss an update.
And remember, whether you're looking to buy in 10 days, 10 weeks, or 10 months, it's never too soon to reach out. We will see you on the next video.
Take care.